How's everybody? We are in the beautiful Vert Ramp section, my favorite section at the Brow House. We're here with Rob Scallon, amazing rollerblader and amazing musician. And I'm gonna be doing all my deadly vert tricks for vert dogs, and he's gonna shred with me. Maybe
I got all my vert tricks right here.
Yeah. Maybe you can do some of the tricks that I'm doing.
Yeah, I'll try. There's a lot of cool stuff you can do on rollerblades and vert. You won't see any of it from me.
So we're gonna shred this vert ramp, see what he can do, see what I can do.
You gotta tell him about the sticker tradition first.
Oh,
we gotta take it step by step here, come on.
All right, so first you walk over here. If you have a skateboard, you go like this to get all of the dirt off.
You're gonna be able to do that. There you go.
There you go. Yeah, there you go. All right.
That's the way to do
You
it.
gotta tap the lucky sticker like in football and stuff, because then you'll be lucky. And then you just walk up the stairs. I skip the stairs.
All right, I'll skip them.
We are up here, and we're gonna be doing some tricks. I gotta get warmed up.
Yeah, I think you can start it off. Well done.
Now you send it.
Yeah, I'll try. How long have you been skating, JD?
6 years.
6 years. Okay, I've been skating 24.
Dang, 4 times as much as I've.
Yeah.
Twice as long as I've been living.
Yeah, twice as long as you've been practicing breathing. I've been practicing skating. Yeah, but man, you've learned a lot in those 6 years. Do you have any tips for getting air? Like, I've never really been able to figure out. Like, as soon as I get above the coping, I just don't know what to do.
Above coping, try to land high. Well, I'm not a rollerblader, so I don't know what you guys do. But you land high and just pump. Like bend your knees, and then when you hit the flat bottom, like straighten out and pump on the next wall. In Vegas, there's this one guy, rollerblader, he owns a vert ramp. I skate with him. He told me just land high and pump as hard as you can.
Do you have any advice for not, what I'm afraid of is coming up and hitting the rail. Like, does that happen to you? Like, is that something you worry about? Not at all?
No, not at all.
Really?
Well, when I first was learning, yeah.
Yeah.
But now, not really.
So what did you do differently to not make that happen? Because I feel like I would come straight up and then I would end up like over here, right?
Yeah, so what I do, I bonk with my back wheels, and it kind of pops you out enough so that you're...
Oh, do your back wheels actually hit the coping?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
So if I were to go like this, 2 wheels, then you're not gonna get as much height and you're gonna go out a little bit further. Now, if you just pop it, might hit the coping or just land really high.
And do you ollie like a lot at the top or not at all?
No, I just kind of let it go. I just lightly hit it and it just goes. Yeah, so I don't know if it's the same with rollerblading.
I'll give it a try. I know that I can get like a few good grinds.
Yeah, I saw you do that 50-50.
Yeah. Back royale, yeah, All right, I'll give it a try. I'll see what I can do.
Oh! Are you looking good? Oh! What the?
Okay, yeah, it's been a little bit, but I can do the vert.
Quit acting like you don't know how to skate, Vert.
Yeah, you know it better than I do, almost.
Oh my. Oh my.
Oh my God, getting above the coping is what scares me.
I know, yeah.
Yeah.
I saw Leo.
Oh geez, that really takes a lot out of you.
So Leo, he like has a mellow ramp. Yeah. So he always clips the coping on purpose. Well, I'm pretty sure that's a trick, but he does that.
By mellow, you mean just less vert?
Yeah, less vert. So it has like, I think it's like 13.5 with like half a foot of vert.
Yeah, what is this?
It has 1.5 foot.
1.5 feet.
And it's 11 foot 3 inches. Yeah, that was crazy though.
This is so tiring. It's been a long time since I've been on something like this.
Why
don't you give him a break for a minute, JD?
Yeah.
Yeah. Show us how it's done.
Oh no! What do you think of that?
It's so impressive, and it's so much more impressive after you just tried to do something similar. So as impressive as that looks on camera, actually being here times it by maybe 5. I think my goal for this is just get a few solid grinds, just any one, and then I would like to air above the coping, not super high, but just comfortably. So I guess I'll start with grinds because that I'm more comfortable with.
Woo! Look at that stall! Oh my!
Okay, that's not too bad. I have a lot of experience with 6-foot half pipes, and so it's weird, like my muscle memory for a 6-foot half pipe kicks in, and I'm already like vertical by like halfway through. Feels like skating a 6-foot half pipe in slow motion.
So the first trick is a wall plant. So I just put my foot on the wall and come back in.
Oh my god!
I missed my grab.
I was gonna say, Rob could probably do that. You got that wall?
No. No, I do not.
How does it feel to fall
That's a
on
JD
this?
exclusive. Actually, falling on this isn't bad at all because if you do it controlled, it's just a big slide. It's just like going down the slide at a playground, but it's really big and dirty.
Yeah, it's just like a giant slide.
And as long as you follow controlled, that's pretty much what you're doing. Not that I'm falling controlled, but.
Yeah!
Top ass. Never mind, nope.
Woo!
All right.
That was looking good.
All right, let's get this wall plant. I used to have that trick down.
How's the view up there?
It's great. I remember like getting up to a vert ramp for the first time, and there's just something so terrifying and exciting about it. So I'm feeling that a little bit now.
I know exactly how you feel.
But I know I can do it. I kind of want to see if I can get that top acid here.
Oh!
All right, that definitely counts. Grinds down.
That was cool.
Yeah. I love a top acid, dude.
All right, he got one of his tricks down. Now I gotta land my trick.
Whoa! Whoa!
A little bit here.
Oh!
Yeah, I just always feel like I'm gonna slam on the coping.
All right, I got 3 tricks down. Wall plant, fast plant, 50 front 180.
I love the organization.
Burning squirrel, front 5
Burning
2
squirrel?
Wait, what's the explain?
Yeah,
that.
you gotta explain.
Switch
burning
nose
squirrel.
grind. So switch front side nose grind, and then we got front 5 270 out and alley feeble. So I'm gonna work it like 3 tricks at a time.
A 50270 this?
Yeah, just 5-0 and then spin. I've done it before. I haven't done a burning squirrel in a while. I don't want to do it this way because I feel like it might hit the light.
You're seeing a future Olympian there.
Yeah, I know. Man.
He's 12. What were you doing when you were
12? What was I doing? I guess when I was 12, I was like I had been skating for 5 years at that point. I wasn't nearly this good, but you know. And I think I'd been. You okay, JD?
Yeah, I just tripped walking up the stairs.
Yeah, the vert ramp is easy for you. It's the stairs.
Yeah, the
that
stairs
get you.
are the hardest part.
Yeah, walking up the stairs. I think I just started getting into music at 12. Like I maybe like could play a few major chords on the guitar at 12. That's probably my biggest accomplishment. You know what? I beat Spyro 2 100% like 7 times at 12, so I did that.
Oh!
Good thing for that.
Be safe, Light. Be safe.
All right, I'm gonna do a few more. I'm gonna try to get just a little air, just above the coping, nothing more.
The light will forever be named Ralph. Oh, yeah! Woo!
Okay.
Look at you.
I think that's my 2 goals.
Look
I think
at
that's my 2
you.
goals right there. Yeah. All I did was just work less hard. I just put less energy into it.
All right, I'm gonna get this burning squirrel.
Oh!
All right, so that's another 3 tricks off of my list. Oh, next trick is switch backside air.
For me right now, like the main thing I'm thinking about is just taking all my experience on 6-foot half pipes and just slowing it down. And then I'm getting a bit more smooth. Oh God.
Woo! Woo! Hey, I like that. I like the little hand plant on the side. That was nice.
That was sick.
Thank you. That one felt pretty good. Yeah, I think that might be it for me on the airs. I think that one grab, I don't even know what you would call that, but I think that crosses off air from my list.
I got switch backside air and 5-0 fakie to do next. I'm better at doing switch backside airs when I switch drop into it for some reason, because my foot is already set up. So I'm gonna just switch dropping.
Switchback air?
Yeah.
Woo!
Getting a bit squirrely.
That was scary.
Okay, that was better.
Oh!
That's sketchy.
After a few pumps, I'm dead. I'm so tired. It takes so much out of you.
You're gonna feel it tomorrow.
You don't burn a lot of calories being a professional musician.
Crazy.
Wow.
Oh, I'll get that next time. If I can get that, then I'm good. That's a cloudy night.
Oh! Oh! What? Yeah, hurricane?
Yeah, I just learned it to fakie.
Yes. Oh my gosh. That was good. That was so good.
That one's pretty tough because you can't really you going backwards?
Ice plant blunt slide. That one I don't think you guys seen on the vert. I'll do a Russian boneless too. All right, let's do this ice plant blunt slide.
Oh! Whoa! Oh yeah.
It's called the sweat stance.
Thank goodness that the upper deck is very slippery.
I mean, if I miss it, I just slide down.
Oh!
I want to get that one.
What is that?
Frontside eel. I mean, frontside heel.
All right. Oh! Oh!
Doesn't slide quite as well as I would have liked.
Man. Wow.
No, I'm too tired. All right, guys. I think that's it for me. It's been fun. That's as much as I can do.
I've never seen a sideways slide.
Nailed it.
That's the third video we filmed today.
Whoa! All right. All right, you ready for this? You land it next try. I will find the largest bag of sour Skittles and buy it for you for Christmas. I'm a man of my word. He didn't even shake on it. You got it right here.
Leave it in the comments below. What is harder, heel flip Indy or 540?
You got living legend right there watching you.
Yep. How did I fall on a 540?
Oh! Rick!
I need the I Like Skate powers. All right, bye. He's gonna do a crazy trick.
Well, I'll do a trick.
He's gonna do a trick, cause he likes skate as well.
That's all I got for now.
Heel flip Indy. I need the I Like Skate energy.
You have anything you want to say to Rick?
Thank you. Say I like skate. I like skate. All right, talk to you later.
See you, Rick.
We are finished with the session on the vert ramp. Rob was killing it. I was doing some tricks that I had to do for my vert dogs. And I didn't do all of the crazy tricks because you guys have to wait until that series comes out. Coming soon. Oh. And yeah, he was shredding.
How do you feel?
I feel good. It's my first time on the vert ramp for a little while. I appreciate the tips, JD.
Crazy. I would never be able to do that.
Oh, I'm sure you could. Subscribe to my channel if you want to check out music stuff, and subscribe to the Olympics in a few years to see him. Or now, yeah.
There's some videos right over there. Go check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And we want you to learn how to skate, so make sure you get the Braille Army Plus membership to learn everything you need to know. Yeah!